My business is called Ellie and Kate Create, and so Ellie and Kate, I am Ellie, and then my roommate is Kate, and we create crocheted items. Our website works through WordPress and Bluehost. I can't remember which WordPress theme I'm using, but whatever it is, it's good. And mostly I use this for the WooCommerce and the products and analytics and these little tabs over here. I wanted to show you guys the products page since this is where the majority of the information is. So here it can show us if it is in stock, if it's on back order, which means we currently don't have any in our inventory. We only place items or have items on back order if we know we can get them out again. And then I don't think we are out of stock, because once we get out of stock, we will take it off the site. And things become out of stock when we run out of the materials to make the product. So the page that you guys, or that the customer sees, is more or less it's this. This is still my site, so it doesn't skew with the data that it's recording. And this is our homepage where it talks about why we essentially started creating this website and this business. So both me and my roommate Kate have some mental and physical illnesses that are sometimes very debilitating. And we kind of go into this a little bit in the About Us, but not a whole lot, just because it is a little bit more personal. But here's an overview of kind of who we are, and we thought this was important because it's important to know the faces and the reasoning behind what the business is doing. And then we have the shop page, and this is just basically what you guys saw in the products back on the WordPress website. These are just them put in just kind of not really in any, just in default sorting, which I don't necessarily know what that means, but you have these here. And then what we have to help our business is we hooked in Facebook. So this is our Facebook page that we have going on here. And I don't know exactly what it's going to show. But, so we have Facebook, and then we also have Instagram. And Instagram is really what has been able to help us to create this business. We've been able to reach out to a lot of people and be able to make most of what we have sold has been sold through people that we have or who have contacted us through Instagram. And one thing that I did want to show is here in the blog, the main thing that we're doing is that we want to spread awareness for different kinds of disabilities and illnesses. And so we have decided that quarterly we are going to donate 10% of our proceeds to different societies or networks or foundations. So we've decided to do it with the Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. So Kate has something called Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, or EDS, and so the first one is going to be donated to hers, to that society. And then the second one will be the Hormone Health Network, which is part of the Endocrine Society. It focuses on patient enlightenment and education, because that's all about the thyroid, which is something I am passionate about. The third one is NEDA, or the National Eating Disorder Association. And then the last one is the Rape, Abuse, and Incest National Network, or RAINN. And so right now, we haven't even finished the first quarter, but this is kind of what we've been doing, and we've just been contacting friends and family and using Facebook and Instagram to really help our business grow.